Right guys, Audi A3, 2003 model, 1.8. Okay, don't be fooled by what it says at the back. It doesn't have the point, so it looks like an 18 litre, but yeah, anyway. Look at this beauty. I'm going to start it up. You're going to see how it sounds, and yeah, let's do it. Welcome. Oh, look at that interior. That's some good interior right there, eh? Yeah. Start the beast up. Okay, here it goes. Right, about to get that ribbon going there. Woo. Does it really sound loud, eh? How does that sound right there? Not too bad, eh? Alright guys, thank you.